Well, I think the most recent one is I was able to overcome my fear of giving birth. I was proud of myself to be able to handle my mental health and quickly bounce back from the post-pregnancy to work. And I think I was one of the lucky ones who were able to still find myself in this motherhood journey and being a working mom at the same time. Well, I guess number one is setting boundaries between work and personal life. That's very important. Second, schedule a me time, 15 minutes quick time alone. It really helps to introspect about what's happening in your life. It's probably empowered. I have put forward of acknowledging my strengths, my confidence and value as a woman and as a person. Second is the authenticity. Embracing who I truly am without apologizing from the social expectations or societal expectations, and focusing on my genuine self with pride. Last would be aspirational. By embracing my importance, I naturally become a source of inspiration to myself and to the other women that I know in my life. I hope it will inspire also to every woman or person that I know to have its own unique and valuable journey, and be gentle with yourself and have some grace. My message to the women in the world, to the women of NESDA, and to the women that I know in my life: don't be too hard on yourself.